Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Guru. In this one I'm going to make a video on the Moto H20 device, how much time it actually takes to install the Android 12 update. Right now as you can see friends, this is Android 12 update which I did download, and let's find out how much time it usually takes to completely install this update. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video exactly. So right now the update is downloading exactly as you can see friends. Right now it's downloading, and once it's downloaded I'll try to calculate the time, how much time it takes to install, because download will be different from one user to other user. That's the reason. I can be back after some time. Right now as you can see friends, the download has been finished successfully, and right now it's installing at this moment exactly, and you can clearly see 4% has been completed right now, applying the update. So step 3 out of 6 right now it's going on, and the stopwatch has been started. Let's find out friends how much time it actually takes to completely install the 100% of Android 12 in this Moto H20 device, and I will be back after some time. Right now as you can see it's been 15 minutes of time exactly, and still it's only completed 67%. As you can see here exactly the update in the Moto H20 device, so still it's taking slightly more time. So again I'll be back after some time friends, just to check how much percentage the update has been finished, like to install. So this is a kind of slightly more time than usual when compared with other smartphones. So I can be back after some time. Right now as you can see friends, the step is of step 4 out of 6, and it's still completing 85%, and right now the time taken about 24 minutes of time. So still the update did not finish applying this Moto H20 device. It's taking more, I think it might take more than 30 minutes as well, just for installation process of Android 12 in this Moto H20. Again I'll be back after some time. So after about 27 minutes of time, the Moto H20 device did show the message saying restart now. Right now I'm trying to restart this device. Let's see friends how much time it actually takes to restart and install as well. Right now as you can see friends, we got the Moto logo as well on the phone at this moment exactly in the Moto H20, and total time 28 minutes of time. So let's find out how long again this phone gonna take. So finally we got the message as well, and it's completely done in about 29 minutes of time. The complete software installation has been finished in the Moto H20, and I can see the new type of design and everything in this Moto H20 device regarding notification panel and everything. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and these are the few details which are of mentioning regarding the Moto H20, how much time it actually takes to install this update. Meanwhile, signing off, until then stay tuned and bye.